before you say Qubool Hai. There is a silent truth many only discover after the celebrations end. It's not about compatibility. It's not about looks or status. It's something deeper. Many enter marriage hoping another person will finally make them whole. They carry unspoken expectations. Once I'm married, my loneliness will disappear. Once I have a spouse, I'll finally feel secure. Once we build this life together, peace will come. For a short while, the excitement might cover the cracks, but then reality gently knocks. Your spouse will have bad days. They will fail you in small ways, just as you will fail them. The feelings will fluctuate. The perfect image will fade. And in that moment, many begin to wonder, did I marry the wrong person? No. You simply expected a human being to do what only Allah was meant to do. Allah created a unique void in every heart, a space reserved only for Him. No spouse, no matter how righteous or loving, was designed to fill it completely. That space was made by Allah, for Allah. The Prophet taught us that the dunya is a prison for the believer. True peace was never meant to be found here in full. It is found in turning back to the one who created your heart. Listen to what Allah says about marriage. And among His signs is that He created for you mates from among yourselves, so that you may find tranquility in them. And He placed between you affection and mercy. Surah Ar 32:21. Tranquility, affection, mercy, not perfection, not constant happiness, not a life without trials. Mercy, because mercy is what remains when the butterflies leave. Mercy, because it covers the flaws and forgives the shortcomings. Mercy, because it is what keeps two imperfect souls walking together toward Jannah. So before you ask, is this the right person? Ask a more important question. Am I becoming the right person? Are you becoming someone who remembers Allah in secret? Someone who lowers their gaze and guards their tongue? Someone who is quick to forgive and slow to anger? Someone who finds peace in salah before seeking it in another soul? Because the version of you that you are building right now is exactly who your future spouse will live with. If marriage has not come yet, do not despair. The one who created your heart knows its deepest longings better than you do. He is al-Wadud, the most loving. Trust His timing. Trust His plan. Work on your connection with Him and watch how He beautifies everything else. Before you say Qubool Hai, make sure your heart has already said it to Allah. Pray not only for a righteous spouse, but for a heart worthy of one. If this reminder touched your soul tonight, say, Ya Allah, make us among those whose hearts are filled with your love and mercy. Share this with someone preparing for their next chapter. May Allah bless our homes with Sakina, Mawaddah, and Rahmah. Amen.